How to connect Polybuzz.ai with social media account. First of all, open the app and tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will see the login or sign up button. Tap on it to begin. When the login page appears, you will notice an option that says Continue with Google. This is the only available method to connect your account with a social media platform. Tap on Continue with Google and choose the Google account you want to link. Grant the necessary permissions and Polybuzz.ai will automatically connect your app to that Google account. Once connected, your Google account will be used for logging in, syncing data, and saving your chat history with AI characters. This also makes it easier to access your profile and recover your account anytime without needing a password. Currently, Polybuzz.ai doesn't support connecting with other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, so the Google option is the only available integration for now. Now you know how to connect Polybuzz.ai with social media account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.